I will design a minimalist luxury logo design within 24 hours. Hi, welcome my friend. About this gig. Welcome to my luxury minimalist logo design gig. Are you looking for a bespoke and timeless logo design to create your brand identity? Then this is exactly why you have landed on my gig. Do you want to create a unique masterpiece specifically tailored to your brand needs and want to stand out from your competitors? I'm here for you. Why me? With so many options to choose from in terms of the selection of your logo design, why should you choose me? Because you will get custom tailored logo design concepts, unlimited revisions, 100% customer satisfaction, seamless communication. All copyrights belong to you. I offer nothing but excellence and hope to become part of that amazing journey of building your brand identity. With my years of experience, I will put in my full energies so that the end result of our collaboration is your imagination turning into a reality in the form of my design. I look forward to working with you on your special project. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.